NachoNacho Seller Tutorial. To list your SaaS product, get started by clicking this button here. Fill out all the company details here and product details, and then submit to our team to get it reviewed and approved. We recommend that you take a look at other products like HubSpot to see how they filled out their page. Notice how many details they have, including pricing, and they included a bunch of videos and photos, everything you would need to make a purchase decision for HubSpot right here, and for your product as well. After a product gets submitted, we'll review it and approve it. We'll let you know if you need any other changes to your listing before it goes live. Here you can see monthly revenue from every sale attributed from NachoNacho.com. Usually we attribute sales in the form of an affiliate link, but many of our buyers also use our Nacho cards, which is a powerful virtual card solution to track and control all of your subscription expenses. Here you can see the partnership terms set between you and our team. Other important features that you want to keep in mind here is the product page, where you can come and you can make edits at any time. You could also check Wingman here. This is where leads will show up. So if anybody showed interest in your product but didn't follow through with the purchase, they'll show up here on this page, and you'll have the opportunity to send them a one-time pitch and try to convince them to buy your product. Any existing subscribers will show up here. Just keep in mind this is all test data. All subscription customers from NachoNacho will show up right here, so you can keep track of them all in one place. Any payments will be seen here. This includes payments for any fees for NachoNacho, and also any payments coming in directly to you from us. You could also see your members here. These are team members that are a part of your company. We definitely recommend that you add several team members, maybe a BDR, to help manage some of the inbound leads that you might be getting from NachoNacho. This would be the place where you could add them here. Revenue share is here. You can see what the revenue share is that's due to NachoNacho for any net new business we bring you. NachoNacho works on a net new basis. You will never be charged for customers that already exist. On this page, you can request reviews from previous customers. Having reviews helps your page stand out and helps with your conversion rates. We definitely recommend getting at least 3 reviews on your page before you go live. Here's your settings page, where you can change company and personal settings associated with your business and with your personal account itself. You can see the agreement that you have with us for rev share here. You could also adjust your shaman settings, which we definitely recommend for each and every SaaS seller. You can choose competitive products and complementary products. The more details that you provide here, the better we could automatically recommend your product to other prospective customers using our AI-powered engine. We definitely recommend that you fill this out before you go live on NachoNacho. After Shaman, you can go to integrations here. We recommend that you connect these. Slack, for instance, will give you immediate notifications if you have new subscriber activity, and for other activities on your account, you'll get alerted immediately right into your Slack channel. You could also go to the messages section here. Keep an eye on this. This is where we recommend having other team members on your account because other prospective customers can send you a message. They might ask about certain products, features. They might ask about pricing and other product-related questions that you'll want to answer in a prompt manner. By answering those in a prompt manner, you have your best opportunity to be able to convert those new customers. So definitely keep an eye on the messages tab here. Switching over to a live account to show you live data, all the software deals and service deals will show up in the marketplace here and also on the homepage. Your product will show up here as well, but as one of our partners, you could also take advantage of some of the software deals that we have. Ask your account manager today for a premium buyer account. With a premium buyer account, a free one as a partner, you'll get access to all the deals that we have in our marketplace. These include 7% cash back on existing AWS and Google Cloud spend, even for existing users. We also have deals on QuickBooks, HubSpot, Gusto, and many of the other popular software products that you might need to grow and manage your business. NachoNacho has the best brands at the best prices, so the next time that you're in the market yourself for software, feel free to check the marketplace because we probably have it, including your product, at a great discount and a great value. If you have any questions about setting up your account or want to talk about co-marketing opportunities to get more visibility to over 150,000 businesses in the NachoNacho ecosystem, reach out to your account manager today and set up a meeting to talk about co-marketing, adjusting your listing, or anything else account related that you need help with. We look forward to growing your business together. Welcome to NachoNacho.